Dear students, the next question from the Law of Motion chapter, NCERT exercise problem number 5.3. Okay, see that here the actual question is, give the magnitude and direction of the net force acting on the stone of mass. The mass of the stone is given, that is 0.1 kilogram. Okay, so this stone we are handling in different situation. So now we are going to find, so in that situation we are going to find magnitude and direction of net force. Now I read the situation as well as I will explain. So please listen. First, A question. The first situation is, just after it is dropped from the window of stationary train. So it is a train. It is the train. So train window is there. Train window is there. So we can drop one stone. Just to drop one stone. Stationary train. So it will not moving. So one stone will be dropped from the train. Okay. So in this situation, so what about the force? So we know that this is purely that is mg. That means that weight only. That is F is equal to mg. So we can write F is equal to m into g. So F is equal to mass value. The mass of the stone is given as, that is 0.1 kilogram, into gravity I taken as 10. So the F is equal to 1 Newton. This is acting downward direction. So this is the first question. Next, B question. Please listen. The B question. Just after it is dropped from the window of the train, running at constant velocity 36 km per hour. So now the train is moving with the constant velocity. So constant, so V is constant. So whatever value, so V is constant. So acceleration is 0. So the acceleration is 0 means the force on the, so now we can drop the, so it is moving constant velocity as well as we drop the stone here. So the force on the stone is 0 because we know F is equal to ma. Acceleration is here 0. So force on the stone is 0. So only due to F is equal to mg only acting. So again same we can write F is equal to mg. Already we found, that is 1 Newton. It is also acting downward direction. Next, C question. Please listen. The C question. Just after it is dropped from the window of the train, accelerating with 1 meter per second square. So the next question, here acceleration is not 0. Here now the train is accelerating. So the acceleration of the train is given, that is 1 meter per second square. So in this situation we can drop the stone from the window. So we are going to calculate the force. Here we can explain in two ways. The first way is, the train is moving the horizontally. So one is the horizontal directional force, that is done by, or the force acting on the stone, that is F is equal to ma. So F is equal to m value 0.1, acceleration is equal to 1. So F is equal to 0.1 into 1, that is 0.1 Newton. Okay, this is acting the horizontally. Then the next one, see that the vertically, that is F is equal to mg. So F is equal to m value, that is a mass 0.1, then the gravity, that is 10. So F is equal to 1 Newton. F is equal to 1 Newton. Okay, so this is acting vertically downward. Then the next one, D question. Just lying on the floor. So please listen. Just lying on the floor of the train, which is accelerating with 1 meter per second square. The stone is being rested on the relative train. So now it is the train. The train is moving in this direction with acceleration 1 meter per second square. One stone is here. The stone also move along with the train with the same acceleration. So in this situation, we can say F is equal to ma. So F is equal to 0.1 into acceleration, not gravity. It's acceleration of the train, because the train as well as the stone moving along with the same direction with the same speed. So same acceleration. So 0.1 into 1. So F is equal to 0.1 Newton. Okay students, I hope you understand. This is a different situation, how the net force acting on the stone. Okay, so the first one, the train is rest position, the stone is dropped. Second, the train is constant velocity, the stone is dropped. Third one, train is with some acceleration, then that stone is dropped. And then the next one, the train also moving along with the stone moving along with the train on the roof. So in this situation, what about the force? Okay, thank you.